I don't know about you, but I've been out strawberry picking, so I thought I could make some lollipops, strawberries on lollipops. Can you see that? And they're covered with chocolate and sprinkles. How exciting does that look? That makes a nice lollipop, doesn't it? There we go. And I've also decorated a little cake that I had. Would you like to make them? Come on then, let's get on. So hands nice and clean. Right, let's start. So today you will need fresh strawberries. These have already been washed and I've dried them with a paper towel. They must make sure that you dry them really well. Some lovely rainbow sprinkles, lollipop sticks, and a bar of chocolate to melt. So the first thing you need to do is get your grown-up to help you with this. So you need to open the packet. Then break up your chocolate into a bowl. You can do this bit. Break it all up into little pieces. Like this. Put it all in there. And then this bowl of chocolate goes in the microwave for a couple of minutes till all the chocolate's melted. Or if you don't have a microwave, your grown-ups can put it in a bowl. Put it in this bowl, a bowl like this, on top of some simmering water, and it melts it nice and slowly. Right, so that will go in the microwave and melt. Put that there for a minute. So let's start. So I've melted my chocolate, and here it is. So what you're going to do, you're going to take a lollipop stick and pop that into the strawberry. Then you're going to roll your strawberry in the chocolate. Shake off the extra bits of chocolate, and then dunk it in the rainbow sprinkles. Then pop it onto grease-proof paper and let that harden. Let's do another one. Roll it in the chocolate. These are delicious strawberry rainbow lollipops. Pop that in there. Look at that. So it makes a nice treat. You could use all sorts of sprinkles. I didn't really find very colourful ones, but there you go, pop those in. Do that until you've done all of them. So I've got lots of strawberries left over, and I've got a little cheesecake that I'd like to decorate. So I thought I might put some of these on the top of the cheesecake to decorate it. What do you think? Could do this to all sorts of puddings. Pop it on like that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh. There we go. Another one on. They're a bit big, these strawberries. There we go. I think probably 3 will be enough. What do you think? Does that look enough?